Beforehand, ako ay nahihirapang uminom ng tubig, like 1 glass of water. I find it difficult na swallow. Also, nagkaroon ako ng acid reflux. Then yung palpitation, and then maasim ang bibig ko. That's why na mapagdighay mo maasim din. Sa vision din, sa aking pagtingin, kasi whenever I drive, I had to wear my prescription glasses. First time I drink water, Kangen water that is, I find it very easy to swallow. I can drink 2 glasses at once without being bloated. And I know it's doing good to me. At my age kasi at 66, I know very well that I had to drink water more than I used to drink. And the first thing that I noticed is I was informed that when the start of the onset na pag-inom ko, I will be undergoing detox, which I did. Hyperacidity, well, talagang hindi naman siya biglang nawala, pero napansin ko lang, nawala na yung palpitation ko. And then, yung bibig ko din, hindi na yung acidic yung feeling. But important thing na yun, I cannot recall anymore when was the last time I did after drinking water, Kangen water, nagkaroon pa ako ng acid reflux. Yung vision ko. Yung feeling ko na I need to take off my glasses kasi I can see things better. Mas madali akong magmaneho ngayon. Kahit sa gabi, dati kasi sa gabi, I really need to wear my glasses. And I believe that's because of Kangen water, yung improvements sa vision ko. But again, I cannot prove well until I go to the medical doctor concerning the eye. Well, I hope I was able to convey the message in you that God has given us a way for us to live better, provided we know what things that we need to eat, to drink, and most importantly, we need to take care of our health. And one thing to take care of our health is yung water. Kasi water, as I have learned, bati natin kailangan ng water. And water is one of the major things that we need to take. There are more good things and there are more favorable things for you physically. Again, drinking water pa lang yun. What more if you had yung different variants ng Kangen water machine, like strong acidic water, saka yung that will be antibacterial sa inyo. You can avoid all the other things that you will benefit from. In fact, my daughter is using it as an underarm, sprays on kanyang underarm. Nawala din yung palalagkit. Tapos the same time, nawala na yung, kasi dati talaga kapansin niya, there's really odor. But nowadays, nawala yun. So I'm also doing it myself. I put it on a spray bottle and I spray it on my underarm whenever I had perspiration, greater perspiration. And I believe you will consider that, okay? It's your decision. It's a matter of choice. You have to switch your water to Kangen.